Today we're going to look at logging into eSwede and logging into your ID course. When you first come to the eSwede site, btny.acck.edu, you will notice that over in the upper right hand corner there is a login script. You have a username and a password. Sometime during orientation you were given your username and password for eSwede. It is not the same as your username and password for Bethany. There is a separate username and password. We do not have a single login yet. We are working on it. Over on the left hand side you'll notice a number of portals. There's the welcome portal if you want to make a gift. There is my courses, my pages, my groups, and a few other items. We want to look at my courses over on the left hand side, and as we look at it we see that we have all the courses that we are taking this fall, including BQ 101, Bethany Quest Seminar, and our section will be there, and the ID 101 course, and again our section will be there. Let's look at ID 101. When we get to ID 101, all of the sections will look somewhat the same. Over on the right hand side you'll have a description of the course. There is a texting video that you might have seen before. There's a calendar. All of your assignments will be on this calendar. And then there are handouts and bookmarks. As of Saturday, when I'm doing this video, only the religious literacy unit and the communication unit had put things into the handouts. You notice that the room and instructor assignments for this fall are also in the handouts. And these are as Word documents. There's one as a PDF document. If you go back up on the left, you'll find a number of items. You should find coursework. I'm going to switch. Right now I'm looking at this as a faculty member. I'm going to switch into a student view to see what you see. Okay. You see your attendance, where we'll record and keep your attendance. You'll be able to keep up with your attendance. Collaboration, which is a place that you can go to email other students in the class or your instructors. Course information, which is basic information about this course that's been placed there for you. Coursework, your grade book, the main page with all of its parts, because that's the page we're on. And finally, the syllabus page. The syllabus page will contain the syllabus for the whole course, as well as syllabi for each of the units. And notice that in the case here of communication, we have writing and communication with Legault and Bowman, and then we have a writing and communication syllabus that has no names, so you can assume that that's Isaacson and Van Tassel. The religious literacy outcomes are they will be the same for all four instructors. And here is the syllabus for the course. We will be adding the rest of the syllabi as we receive them. Hopefully this will happen before Wednesday. More important for right now is the coursework section. In the coursework section you will have all of your coursework showing. And we're going to have it open from the very beginning so you'll be able to look at everything that you have to do throughout the course. All of the assignments for this course are very short, and they are all here in the coursework section. Some of them will show instructions, some will not, but all of the assignments will be here. You'll be able to see, even if you can't, as in the case of the final paper, do anything about it right at the moment. The instructors for each module will be changing the due dates. Not everything is not due on December 12th, but that's what the coursework section of this looks like. Now, in addition to the courses and coursework, you can also do some things with your personal information that you may or may not be interested in doing. You can, for example, add a photo of yourself. But you need, as you can see, to make that photo 133 by 133 pixels and either in a GIF or a JPEG format. There are any number of photo editing softwares, and I'm sure you have one on your laptop computers. If you don't, you can use the college's software using Microsoft Office, Microsoft Office Tools, and Microsoft Office Picture Manager brings up all the pictures that you may have put on any particular computer. They have to be on the computer you're working on, and allows you to do simple edit on any of the pictures. For example, if we open this one up, we can crop the picture. And you see over in the side here that it gives us some information about the size of the picture. We can then, going back to the edit, we can resize the picture. We're going to make it about 30% of the original. And again, you see where we are. We can change the color, the brightness, the contrast, do very small things that we can do with a picture. We're getting close to the 133 by 133. There we go. I could now put that up if I save it as my portrait photo. That having a picture of you always helps, and that about wraps it up for this little video.